English sentences use when shopping. Useful phrases that a clerk or customer might use. 1. Finding the right store, shop. Questions. Can you recommend a good toy store? Can you recommend a good toy store? Is there a pharmacy in this area? Is there a pharmacy in this area? Where can I get pet food from? Where can I get pet food from? Where is the nearest shopping center? Where is the nearest shopping center? Could you direct me to the nearest post office, please? Could you direct me to the nearest post office, please? Do you know where the nearest hardware store is? Do you know where the nearest hardware store is? Responses. There is a really good bookshop just around the corner. There is a really good bookshop just around the corner. You can buy that here in the hotel. You can buy that here in the hotel. The nearest one is a few miles away. The nearest one is a few miles away. The best toy shop is in the shopping center. The best toy shop is in the shopping center. The post office isn't open on Sundays. The post office isn't open on Sundays. The convenience store on the corner might sell that. The convenience store on the corner might sell that. 2. Opening times. Questions. What time are you open until? What time are you open until? What time do you close today? What time do you close today? Are you open on the weekends? Are you open on the weekends? Are you open all day? Are you open all day? What are your opening hours? What are your opening hours? Are you open on Sundays? Are you open on Sundays? Are you open every day during the week? Are you open every day during the week? What time do you open tomorrow? What time do you open tomorrow? Responses. We're open from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. We're open from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. We're open on weekdays only, Monday to Friday. We're open on weekdays only, Monday to Friday. We're open from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. We're open from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. We're open 7 days a week. We're open 7 days a week. We're open 24/7, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We're closed at lunchtime, between 12 p.m. and 2 p.m. We're closed at lunchtime, between 12 p.m. and 2 p.m. We're closed on bank holidays, national holidays. 3. Selecting goods. Clerks, assistants questions. May I help you? May I help you? Can I help you find something? Can I help you find something? What color would you like? What color would you like? What size would you like? What size would you like? Is there anything else I can help you with? Is there anything else I can help you with? Would you like to try it on? Would you like to try it on? Is that any good? Is that any good? What can I do for you? What can I do for you? How does it fit? How does it fit? How about this one? How about this one? Anything else? Anything else? Would you like anything else? Would you like anything else? Customers' questions. Excuse me, do you work here? Excuse me, do you work here? Could you help me, please? Could you help me, please? I'm looking for a. I'm looking for a. I'm trying to find a. I'm trying to find a. Could you tell me where the is, please? Could you tell me where the is, please? How much is this? How much is this? How much are these? How much are these? How much does this cost? How much does this cost? How much is that? In the window? How much is that? In the window? Where can I find the? Where can I find the? Do you sell? Do you sell? Do you have any? Do you have any? Would you have this in another color? Would you have this in another color? Have you got anything cheaper? Have you got anything cheaper? Do you have this item in stock? Do you have this item in stock? Do you know where else I could try? Do you know where else I could try? Does it come with a guarantee? Does it come with a guarantee? Where is the fitting room? Where is the fitting room? Where can I weigh my groceries? Where can I weigh my groceries? Can you deliver? Can you deliver?